Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ladonnajanay here. So today I did my signature ponytail, I guess you can say, a look that I do when I don't want to do my hair, just quick and easy. I did two styles for you guys. One that I saw on Jada, and I absolutely loved it. And I figured I was doing one tutorial. I should put a two-in-one because I thought her ponytail that she did with like the little bubble braid, I guess you can call it, was super cute. So I decided to show you guys how I did it. I did do a little bit more bubbles than she did, but you can do them however way you choose. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. And until my next one, I will see you soon. Stay true, stay you, and stay positive.